Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you these so cute flowers. I like them very much. You can put your coffee or tea pot here, or you can use as an ornament, or you can put an beauty on your gifts. Hope which you want to use. If you want to use a pot holder, you can uh, put a felt with glue or silicone on that. You can use it easily. I hope you like it. You can see that I use different type of yarns, all of them cotton yarns, but this is more thick yarn, more thicker, so my flower is getting more here. Here is two. These are more thinner than this, but all of them are beautiful and so easy. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful and cute flowers. Let's start to crochet. We start our flower from the center. First of all, make a slip knot. First of all, make a magic ring. Grab my yarn, insert in it, and make single crochet. Not count that. Insert into that hole. Grab my yarn, make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then pull that yarn tightly and close that hole. 2, 4, 6. This is last one. Insert my hook from the sixth one. Grab these two yarn together. If you could, you can make, so you can close this hole for not opening again. Here. 2, 4, 6. This is my first stitch. Then insert into that. Grab my yarn and make 2 single crochet in that. 1 and 2. Then insert into the second. 3, 4 into the same. I will make 2 single crochet in every each stitch. At the end of second round, I will have 12 single crochet. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Next one, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. On the third round, you will put here a marker or different yarn. Insert into the first one here and make a single crochet in that stitch. 1. Insert into the second one and make 2 single crochet. Third one, 1 single crochet. Fourth one, 2 single crochet. Fifth one, 1. Sixth one, 2. Next one, 1. Next one, 2. Next one, 1 single. Next, 2 single. Last 2 single. First one, 1 single. Next one, 2 single. 1 single crochet I will make. 1 single. Next stitch, 2 single. At the end of third round, I will have 18 stitch. You can see that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Take my yarn or marker, put here. This time I will make 1 in the first, 1 in the second, 2 in the third. At the end of fourth round, I will have 24. After that, 1, 1, 1, 2. At the end of the fifth, I will have 30. After that round, I will make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in 4 stitch. On the fifth, I will make 2 single crochet. At the end of this round, I will have 36 single crochet. You can find this chart here. You will keep repeating like that. Keep increasing your circle until you will have here 36 single crochet. I complete mine after turn 2. I increase my circle until I have 36 single crochet, insert into the next one and finish with slip stitch, chain 1 and cut my yarn. I finish my work with my white color here. I will hide this tail. I will take my second color. That's the tip. We will insert our hook from our finishing stitch. Okay, insert my hook from here, grab my yarn and chain 3, count as my first double, then make a double crochet in every each stitch. This is first one, next stitch here 2, next one 3, yarn over, insert into the next, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, 4, next one 5. You will turn all around your circle. At the end of, you will have 36 double crochet. I complete and turn to you. I complete my 36 double crochet, insert into the top of the first double and join with a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3 and count as my first double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next one and make 1 double crochet. We have 2 double. Then yarn over, insert into the third stitch and make here 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch and make here 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. So you will have next stitch 1 double crochet. You will have sets and you will have 6 sets. One set is contains 2 double crochet in 2 stitch. Then make 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, 2 double crochet in 1 stitch and 2 double crochet in 2 stitch. 2, 2 in 1, 2 in 1 and 2. Now we will start second set and make here 1 double, 1 stitch, next stitch 1 double, third stitch 2 double, fourth stitch 2 double, fifth stitch 1 double, sixth stitch 1 double. To the third set, 1 double in the first stitch, 1 double in the second stitch, 2 double in the third stitch, 2 double in the fourth stitch, 1 double in the fifth stitch, 1 double in the sixth stitch. I will complete like that, come to end and turn to you. I complete my round, come to the first stitch, stop and join with a slip stitch. Now we are on the second color's third round. Chain 1 and not count, insert into the same stitch and start with single crochet this time. Yarn over, next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Yarn over, next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Yarn over, next stitch, make 2 double crochet. 1 into the same, 2. Yarn over, next stitch, make 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Yarn over, next 2 stitch, make 1 double crochet. 1, next one, 1. Next 2 stitch we will make 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. Next 2 stitch we will make 1 double crochet. 1, next stitch, 1. Next 2 stitch, every stitch make 2 double crochet. 1 double, make the second one in the same stitch. Next stitch, make 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Next 2 stitch, make 2 double. 1, next stitch, make 1. Next 2 stitch, make 2 single. 1, next stitch, 1. So you will make your sets like that. 2 single, 2 double, then make 2 double in 1 stitch, 2 double in 1 stitch, then make 2 double in 2 stitch, 2 single in 2 stitch. This is the sets. I will complete mine, come to the end. You will know, you know that we start 1 single, so we will finish this round with 1 single. I complete the third round and turn to you. I come to end, make my increase here, 2 double in 1 stitch, 2 double in 1 stitch, 2 double crochet. My last stitch is single crochet. You know we start 1 single and join with a slip stitch with this stitch. We are on the last round. Chain 1 and not count, insert into the same stitch and join with a start with single crochet. We make 1 single in 1 stitch, then yarn over and make 2 double again. 1, next one, 1. Then we will make 2 double crochet this 4th stitch. Make 2 double, 1 and 2. Next stitch, 1 and 2. Next stitch, 1, 2. Next stitch, 1 and 2. Now these 2 stitch we will make 1 double crochet. 1, next one, 1. Next 2 single crochet, make 2 single crochet on them. One and 2. Then make 2 double crochet next 2 stitch. 1 and 2. Then next 4 stitch, make 2 double crochet in every each stitch. 1 and 2. Next one, 1 and 2. Next one, 1, 2. Next one, 1, 2. Next 2 stitch, make 1 double, 1. Next one, 1. Then make 2 single crochet. Next 2 stitch, make 1 double. Next 4 stitch, make 2 double in each stitch. Then make 2 double in 2 stitch, one here, then make 2 single. I complete this round, come to end and turn to you. I come to end, 4 stitch I make here, 2 double crochet, make 1 double in 1 stitch, next stitch 1 double, and you know we start 1 single crochet here. This is our last single, and insert into the first single and join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut your yarn. I will hide it. And that's it. We finish our flowers. I hope you like it. You can use it which you want. If you want use ornaments, or you can put it in your presents, or you can use that as pot holder, or anything else which you want. You can make it colorful, and it's so easy. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.